Hello friends, in the previous lecture of this module, we have learned meaning and definition of news in the context of print media. In addition, we have also learned characteristic and elements of news. Furthermore, we have also understood determinant of news and various types of news in detail. In this lecture of the module, we will discuss various types of news beats and its importance in the reporting. We will also discuss sources of news beats in relation to various types of beats. Furthermore, we will also discuss principle of beat reporting. In addition, we will also discuss historical background of news beats. So, let us try to explain news beat first. Beat reporting refers to thematic specialization in journalism and also an answer to immense diversity of the theme and event it covers. Beat reporting especially went with newspaper in their golden age throughout most of the 20th century, but seems less possible in the linear era of transition from print to online news that has characterized journalism since 2000. The word beat was originally used to describe the regular route of a police officer in charge of a neighborhood, the so-called beat cop. Thus, by analogy, beat denote a specific area of journalistic reporting. Beat are among the most important organizational principle of media organizations. Size of beats depends upon nature of media organization. The larger media organization have several beats, while small media organization have less news beats. For example, the beat structure of a Dainik Jagran newspaper includes beats like entertainment, theatre, education, culture, religion, and environment. In addition, the hard news beats such as politics, economics, or crime. News beat is a specific field in the journalism which is assigned to the reporter to gather news. News reporter is expected to keep track of all events taking place in his or her beat. The beat reporter has to ensure that he covers all routine events on his news beat. More important, he is required to develop contacts that can help him to generate special and exclusive stories. It is also referred as specialized reporting. It means reporting from particular beat or field. For beat reporting, a journalist requires to have a specialization or a healthy experience in a particular field or area. Here, the beat is place of coverage, while the correspondent in that place is the beat reporter. It is a specific area covered regularly by a specific reporter. It is an opportunity for a reporter to become a bit of an expert, at least enough to ask the right questions, even if not to know all the answers. Beat reporters tells audience not only what is happening, but how to get involved. A good news reporter should have following qualities. Number 1, familiar with general background. Number 2, knows a specific language of area. Number 3, ask right questions. And number 4, recognizes newsworthy information and write understandable stories for unfamiliar readers. Let me understand historical background of beat. Historically, the development of beats and beat reporting stand in a relationship with the professionalization and rationalization of print media journalism and its transformation into a mass product. From its beginnings in the late 19th and early 20th century, beat reporting developed and flourished in the mid and late 20th century, when it had its golden age. It benefited from and help to secure a solid economic basis of many national and local print media organizations. Since the 2000th century, the beat reporting system has come under strong pressure and may not survive in its classic form. Importance of beats in news reporting. Number one, beats are backbone for a newspaper organization to get healthier information. Number two, it encourages reporter to get in-depth information on a particular issue. Number three, it keeps the spirit of original reporting, that is visiting places to dig news stories and communicating sources to get inside information. Number four, it helps reporter to understand issues better so they can write better news stories with healthy information. Number five, it provides direct tie to news reporters so that reporters cannot miss the news and break exclusive news stories for her newspaper. Number six, it helps people to identify reporters of a newspaper organization. With them, they feel more comfortable to share ideas. Number seven, it helps beat reporter to develop relationship and rapport with sources in better access to information. Principle of the reporter on the beat reporting. Number one, be alert. The beginning of a good story is hidden in many routine. So, beat reporters should always stay focused and take tips seriously and to be preserved to visit beat at any time. Number two, be persistent. Persistent entails two things to a reporter on a beat. First, it means that when you ask a question, you cannot give up until you get an answer. Second, it means that you must keep track of slow developing project or problems. Number three, be there. In beat reporting, there is no substitute for a personal contact. The only way to cover a beat is to there every day. You must make yourself to be part of the community for covering beat. Number four, be wary. You must always try to keep your readers informed about the latest event and developments. You must also be cautious in your dealing that come across you. Don't provide repeat information to your readers. Number five, daily goals. Make sure you have good idea of what you want to accomplish on a daily basis. Number six, build sources. There is no substitute for regular contact that will alert the reporters the first time they hear or see anything newsworthy in the beat. Number seven, do favor. Where appropriate, go out your way to do favor for your sources. It sure will help in times of your own need. Number eight, ask the sweeping question. If you like, ask the dumb question, but make sure you are asking the questions that you will get something out of your source or subject. Listen carefully and watch carefully. Some reporters look but they do not see. When you look, try to observe and see what is happening around. Check out the moods, the reasons, the body language when the question was asked. Look and see. Number 10, look at records. In covering your beat, you are expected to constantly keep in touch with original documents. Go for the original sources material. Number 11, make constant phone checks and call even if not very necessary. You should also know that phone calls cannot replace direct contact. They are only a supplement. Number 12, start out early and fast. You need to constantly leave your office early to your beat. You must have clear understanding that stories do not usually pump up in the newsroom. So what you are still doing there by 9 in the morning. Number 13, know your beat. You must make a concentrated effort to know your beat, like you know your true friend. There is no substitute for this. Just make sure you understand the process in and around your beat. Number 14, show some courtesy and be friendly. You may never know what the next source might be. A beat reporter should also try to make friends in her area of coverage. You sure need them than enemies. Number 15, be an observer. A beat reporter should maintain a critical distance between him and the subject he is covering. He must be a non-participant observer and not a participant. The moment a reporter associated very closely with the subject of his beat, he begins writing for his sources rather than the audience. This is very dangerous. Number 16, be proactive and confidential sources. You must respect the off-record rule. You must also maintain the confidentiality of your source, even at gunpoint. Any beat reporter who easily divulges the sources of information or gives a hint about it because of threat is already dead person. Number 17, maintain a triple news virtue. The triple news virtue are the fundamental pillars upon which every news story must rest. There are truth, objectivity and accuracy. For no reason should any of these be violated. Thus, simply a beat is an area or topic of news that is routinely covered or checked by the same reporter. Beats vary from news organization to news organization, depending upon the publication's missions and audience need. There are various types of news beats. Number 1, crime beat. In crime beat, news reporter is expected to build sources, collect information pertaining to crime, write news stories and have to submit to the concerned desk. There are tremendous public interest in crime stories, and media organization cannot ignore to publish or broadcast crime news stories because of crime news has high rate of people's interest. Crime is a part of life, and it is media's duty to inform the readers or viewers of what crimes are going on in their city, state or country. There are several types of crime news such as murder, fires, accidents, robberies, frauds, blackmailing, kidnapping, rapes, harassment, violence and so on. People involved in the crime stories are victims, suspects, accused, alleged, witness, sources, family members and police and so on. Sources of crime news are as follows: police press release or note, police conference or briefing, police stations, police PRO office, emergency dial numbers, police station and diary of police station, police websites, hospitals and PROs, courts and court officials, advocates, national and state commissions like Women Commission, Human Rights Commission, etc. Crime record related organizations like National Crime Record Bureau, special agencies such as CBI, NIA, etc. Victims and relatives. Importance of crime reporting. Number 1. Readers and listeners often want an explanation of why crimes happen. They ask, could it happen to me? They may want to know so that they can prevent a similar things happening to themselves. Number 2. Your readers and listeners need to know how laws are broken and how people who break laws are caught and punished. This helps them understand laws and penalties for breaking those laws. Number 3. Most people obey the law, so crime stories are about unusual events. One of the criteria for news. Number 4. Some people are interested in the way criminals get something without much effort. It may fascinate people who obey the laws. Number 5. Criminals take risks, face punishment if they are caught. The punishment teaches lesson people about breaking of laws. Number 6. Some crimes stories attract people and teach ideas about way of conducting crime, especially murder, robberies, etc. Basics of crime reporting. Number 1. Do some research. The first is that the police and prosecutors rarely will give them information on a silver platter. That means a tremendous amount of interviewing and research must be done in a very short time so that a coherent story may be written. Number 2. Be skeptical and accurate. There is no guarantee of police accuracy, and therefore police versions of names, addresses, and other facts must be checked. Number 3. Know police terminology. Police and journalistic terminology are not identical. The legal term for a murder is homicide, but many news organizations loosely and incorrectly refers to such crimes automatically as murder. Number 4. Serve public, not officers. Journalists should be loyal towards readers, viewers, and he should not hide or delay crime story to pursue police interest. Number 5. Avoid sensationalization crime. Journalists should not sensationalize crime story which encourage people to commit crimes. You must tell them enough to keep them informed and help them understand why something happened. But you must not encourage copycat crimes. Number 6. Unbiased reporting. Crime reporters should write balanced news story and avoid to spread unnecessary fear and alarm among people. Conceal identity. Journalists should not reveal identity of victims, which can harm dignity of victims in the society, especially in the case of rape. Number 2. Political beat. Political beat is a highest demanding beat because ministers' activities affects public life and their future growth. Therefore, public pay lots of attention to know what is going on in the field of politics. Politics also affect how do we live our life. Politicians decide how much price we have to pay for things, quality of education, hospitals, and transport facilities, and so on. Therefore, public pay more attention to know about development in political parties, controversial, scandal, scam, and personal life of politicians. Hence, media provides so much space or time to political news. In political beat, political reporter develops sources, collect information, writes news report for political beat and submit to it the concerned desk. In India, some types of elections are held every year across the country. It can be parliamentary election or assembly election for formation of government. In this regard, political parties' activities are held every day. Parliamentary and assembly sessions are also important for a robust democracy. Political reporting includes covering sessions of parliament, state assembly and municipal corporation bodies. Number 2, personal and public life of politicians. Number 3, public meeting and rallies. Number 4, demonstration and processions. Number 5, press conferences and press briefing of political parties. Party meeting and conventions. Number 7, press release, social media platforms of political parties. Covering government's action, inaction and government working structure. Number 9, covering implementation of public policies, government decisions on job opportunities. Number 3, sports beats. Sports beat is a broad area of sports reporting. It includes coverage of all kinds of sports and non-sports activities. The sports coverage remains the lifeblood of most sports pages. More opinions and news analysis appear on these pages. Sports reports are read mostly due to their contents and style. Sports reporters should take into account all the compulsory elements of the sports news item. While reporting a news event, sport reporters require qualities of background knowledge and judgment, critical evaluation of sports, besides sound general knowledge about games and their rules and regulation. The performance of the teams should be covered fairly, impartially and in an unbiased way. The sports reporter should know the players well, the strategy they used during game, key incident, crowd behavior and the game which he/she is covering, is able to write an interesting sports story. Sources of sports news are as follows. Number 1, venue of game or meeting, stadium and cricket grounds. Local organizing committee of the competition or game, like UP Cricket Board, Sports Council of Uttar Pradesh Athletes Association, UP Badminton Association. Number 3, Sports Council, Sports Authority of India, BCCI, Indian Hockey Federation, All India Federation, FIFA and SAI. Number 4, Ministries of Sports, Uttar Pradesh Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, the controlling federation of the particular sports, International Cricket Council, Federation of International Football Association, Badminton World Federation, the Federation of International Hockey, National Anti-Doping Agency, World Anti-Doping Agency, that is WADA, players and coaches, popular sportsmen and administrators, sports library, online resources. So friend, with this we have completed news beats and its importance in the reporting. We have also understood sources of news in relation to various beats. We have also discussed principle of beat reporting. In addition, we have also discussed historical background of news beats. Furthermore, we have also discussed crime beats, political beats, sports beats and their sources in detail. Now it is time to check your progress. Write down following question and check your learning level by writing answers of those questions. Give answer of the short questions. Number 1. Write 3 sources of political news. Question number 2. Abbreviation of FIFA stands for dash. Number 3. Beat is a specific area of reporting which is assigned to. Number 4. A reporter who covers crime beat is called as. Question number 5. Familiar with general background is a quality of a. Number 6, political beat provides insight to the readers. Number 7, victims, suspects, accused, elect and eyewitness are the term used in. Number 8, write 3 sources of sports news. Number 9, maintain triple virtue is principle of. Number 10, what is backbone of a newspaper organization to get healthier information? Now, time to long answer. Write answer of the following questions. Number 1, what is beat? Write your answer with appropriate references. Question number 2, discuss importance of beat in news reporting. How does it help a reporter to get healthier information? Question number 3, what is beat? Write down qualities of a beat reporter. Question number 4, what is crime beat? How do you develop sources for crime beat? Question number 5, what is sports beat? Discuss sources of sports beats in detail. Question number 6, what is political beat? Discuss importance of political beat for a news media organization. And last, discuss principle of beat reporting in detail. Now it is time to check your progress. Write down following question and check your learning level by writing answers of those questions. Give answer of the short questions. Number 1, write 3 sources of political news. Question number 2, abbreviation of FIFA stands for dash. Number 3, beat is a specific area of reporting which is assigned to. Number 4, a reporter who covers crime beat is called as. Question number 5, familiar with general background is a quality of a. Number 6, political beat provides insight to the readers. Number 7, victims, suspects, accused, elect and eyewitness are the term used in. Number 8, write 3 sources of sports news. Number 9, maintain triple virtue is principle of. Number 10, what is backbone of a newspaper organization to get healthier information? Now, time to long answer. Write answer of the following questions. Number 1, what is beat? Write your answer with appropriate references. Question number 2, discuss importance of beat in news reporting. How does it help a reporter to get healthier information? Question number 3, what is beat? Write down qualities of a beat reporter. Question number 4, what is crime beat? How do you develop sources for crime beat? Question number 5, what is sports beat? Discuss sources of sports beats in detail. Question number 6, what is political beat? Discuss importance of political beat for a news media organization. And last, discuss principle of beat reporting in detail. What is political beat? Discuss importance of political beat for a news media organization. And last, discuss principle of beat reporting in detail.